Good morning. Quick video update. I'm up super early this morning. I was woken by a whole heap of notifications, messages on my phone that Ethereum has broken a major level, $1,900. Bitcoin is nearly back up at 100k. Maybe when you're watching this, we're going to be above 100k. I want to update you on what's going on in the market today, not just for Ethereum, but for altcoins, because we are seeing a surge, and it's following what happened yesterday with Ethereum's Petra upgrade, but I don't know how much that actually has to do with it. Let's talk about the technicals. I've got a few charts to show you and some price predictions and analysis of where you should be putting your open orders, your stop losses, take profits, and even if you're a spot trader, you're going to want to pay very close attention here. I've got trading bonus in the description below if you want to trade along, up to $4,800 with Femex, no KYC. I'll talk more about that later, but first up, guys, Ethereum back above $1,900, Bitcoin above $99,000. I'm going to quickly chart Bitcoin just to show you a very quick analysis on the low time frame of what it's looking like. We've broken above this kind of megaphone pattern, you could call it a bull flag, but ultimately we've broken above this, and this very much is a bull flag formation for Bitcoin. I'm going to give you a basic price target on the low time frame for anybody that just wants a very quick understanding of, in the low time frame, where Bitcoin is likely to go. You could see about a 13% move. Bitcoin price target is about $104,000, and actually if you look at the weekly chart for Bitcoin, you can see that there is some major resistance at that 103 to, you could say, about $105,000 level. Of course, the all-time high of 109k is going to be a major level of resistance. Anyway, Bitcoin is looking really bullish. I expect 100k to be broken way before the weekend. We might even pump to 105, 107, even all-time high prices today. It's possible, like, if you agree. Anyway, now we've talked about Bitcoin, we need to talk about what's going on with Ethereum, and of course my Ethereum trade, which is nearly now 1 Ethereum in profit. I'm using Ethereum coin margin perpetual. So on most good exchanges, including Femex, you can open up a trade not in USDT, but actually using the underlying crypto asset, which I'm using as Ethereum. So you simply go futures, coin M, and then if you want to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, do it with coin margin, guys. Very important, because your profits are in the rising asset. You don't want to be caught out using USDT in a bull market. Anyway, link is down below for that, where you can do that. And I want to show you not just this chart, which I'm going to chart for you just like I did Bitcoin. This is the Ethereum lower time frame chart, which also is in a beautiful bull flag formation of a 20% move, and the price target out of this takes us up to about $2,100. You can see on this kind of lower medium time frame chart, you have this beautiful cup and handle pattern, which is at the moment breaking to the upside above the major resistance of $1,850. I do see resistance at about $2,100. This level here, you can see it. Let me put that on the chart for you. This is a pretty significant level. So yeah, that would be on, if I was trading sort of scalp trading, lower time frame, $2,100 would be a TP1 for me. But then ultimately, you know, I'm going to be targeting back up at between $2,500 and $3,000. It really is getting quite bullish, and I'll show you this. I posted in the free Telegram group, our community group, earlier. I post altcoins, and I'm going to talk about some altcoins in a minute as well. But just to show you, the last 48 hours now it is, because I posted this yesterday, we're seeing Ethereum lead the inflows on DEX trading volume. I posted this yesterday, and I said is likely going to be a big pump. So guys, join the free Telegram group, tons of value there. And for anyone already in the Telegram group, or if you're going to join the Telegram group, if you want my premium trade signals, it's free. Join us there as well, because I'm posting scalp trades, swing trades. All you simply need to do from the free Telegram group is go to the pinned comment, and the instructions are there. You simply can access it for free. You just need a Femex account with my link and $100 minimum, and then you can access it for free. The instructions are in the pinned comment, guys. of my free Telegram group, which is here. This is the link in the description below. Click it. You'll find the instructions really easy. So I will give you my take profit and stop loss in a minute on Ethereum, but I do want to show you this high time frame chart for Ethereum. It's copying Bitcoin to a T, like Bitcoin did throughout the 2019, 2020, 21. We're seeing that breakout stage where we are at the minute, and I really do believe Ethereum is at a major monthly support now. So we're seeing the RSI at all-time lows. You can see we're seeing that major support level, that reverse candle is pretty evident there for Ethereum. And I also want to show you the following other charts here as well. Let me get that for you. These are the charts. It was that one, and then it was this one. So this is Ethereum against Bitcoin. Ethereum against Bitcoin, in my opinion, has bottomed on the high time frame. I mean, if you go into, let's say, the low time frames, for example, you can see today Ethereum's up 4%, Bitcoin's up 2.75%, and I think that will generally be a trend now for the next few months, even the next year or so. High time frame chart, you can see we have that nice bounce off the monthly level, which is an $1,800 support. But going back into this chart, you can see total market cap is also now breaking out of its downtrend. I've got another chart to show you on that, but also the Bitcoin dominance, right? The Bitcoin dominance has now reached a major level of resistance, the way overbought on the RSI. I believe we're going to see a major altcoin season play out, and you can see it in the total market cap and the altcoin market caps, which I'm going to show you as well. This is very important if you're an Ethereum holder and if you're an altcoin holder. I mean, I also invest in meme coins, just to show you. These are my top picks, which are pumping like crazy today. MOG, it's an Ethereum-based coin. SPX 6900, Ethereum-based coin. But you are seeing generally across the board. I mean, if I go to memes, you can just see we are flying. This is today. Look at the green, guys. Let me know in the comments if you're making money in crypto right now. The total market cap bullish, cup and handle pattern, just like we saw in gold price, Bitcoin price, same to play out. You know, you've probably got in the total crypto market cap over the next 12 months about a 2.5, 3x. But of course, for lower cap gems, altcoins, meme coins, you're going to see much bigger gains. This chart here is the total 3, so it excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum as well as USDT, I believe. Yeah, excludes Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT from the market cap. So, and you can see the level of previous resistance has turned support, and this again is a huge cup and handle pattern, and total 3 is likely to reach you know, a 2.5, at least a 200%, 250% returns over the next 12 months, which leads me to the others. This chart excludes the top 10 cryptocurrencies. When you start seeing this move, which on the lower time frame you can see it's really started to move again, you know, over the last, you could say, what, month, total 3 is up 40%, and that will continuously go higher, like we're seeing with the whole crypto market right now. So once again, guys, I'll leave the links in the description. Get your Ethereum welcome bonus up to $4,800. No KYC with Femix. Best UI, best UX, really good crypto trading platform. And you've got my link for the free Telegram signals as well. Thank you for joining me, guys. See you on the next one, and feel free to check out any one of these videos. See you. Bye-bye.